Creating a visually appealing chart in Microsoft Word is easier than you might think, and it's a great way to make your data more engaging and easier to understand. To start, open your Word document where you want to insert the chart. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the window. This tab contains a variety of options for adding elements like pictures, tables, and charts. Click on Chart, and Word will open a window displaying all the different types of graphs you can choose from. Take a moment to explore the options and think about which chart type best represents your data. For example, line charts are great for showing trends over time, pie charts are perfect for percentages or proportions, and for this tutorial, we'll use a column 3D cluster chart, which works well for comparing multiple categories side by side. Once you've made your selection, click OK, and Word will automatically insert the chart into your document along with a sample data table. Once your chart appears, you'll notice a small Excel-style table with placeholder data. This table is where you can input your own information. Start by renaming each series at the top of the table. For example, if you're comparing sales across different regions, you can replace Series 1, Series 2, and Series 3 with the actual region names like North, South, and West. Next, adjust the column values from left to right to match the numbers you want displayed in your chart. You can simply click on each cell and type in the correct numbers. As you make changes, you'll notice that the chart updates in real time, giving you an instant visual representation of your data. This is one of the most useful features of Word charts, as it allows you to immediately see the impact of your changes without having to regenerate the chart. To make your chart more personalized and professional, double-click the chart title at the top. This allows you to replace the default title with your own, giving context to the chart. For example, you could write Quarterly Sales Comparison or Survey Results by Category. If at any point you want to change the numbers or add more data, simply right-click the chart and select Edit Data. This will reopen the data table, allowing you to make adjustments without having to start over. Microsoft Word also gives you a wide range of styling options to make your chart visually appealing. While the chart is selected, go to the Chart Design tab at the top of the screen. Here, you can experiment with different chart styles, colors, and effects. You might choose a style with bold colors for presentations or a more subtle, professional look for reports. You can also adjust individual elements like the background, grid lines, and legend to match the overall design of your document. Once you've customized the data, title, and style, your chart is ready. It's now fully integrated into your Word document, visually clear and professional looking. Whether you're using it for a report, a presentation, or personal analysis, this chart will make your data easy to understand at a glance. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.